Welcome, and let me introduce you how I build an entirely intranet with N8N and Notion. This video presents document centralization in the Notion intranet. The goal, to make all company documentation accessible in one click with a structured library and advanced filters. The result, faster searches, better control over revisions, and less risk of using the wrong version. To illustrate the AI part, a technical document is opened, ASTM E8. Notion AI is asked a question about the dimensions of a standard round tensile test specimen according to this standard. The AI uses the document to produce a usable answer. That's exactly the point, a reliable library and AI that acts as a second brain to find information at the right time. Thanks for watching. With Notion and N8N, this project helps structure processes, automate monitoring, and leverage AI to save time on a daily basis.